Mocktails made with coffee bring out bold flavors and creativity to your party nights, without the need for alcohol. Here are some refreshing DIY coffee mocktails you can try at home. Coffee can be more than just your morning drink. Drinking it in the morning can give you a morning boost of energy, but it can also be the star of your evenings. You can also use coffee in your mocktails and enjoy the drink. Mocktails made with coffee bring out bold flavors and creativity to your party nights, without the need for alcohol. Here are some refreshing DIY coffee mocktails you can try at home. This is a simple modern classic, which can be paired with chilled tonic water with a shot of freshly pulled espresso. The bittersweet balance creates a sparkling, refreshing beverage that's perfect for summer nights. A twist on the Cuban favorite, this combines cold brew coffee with muddled mint, lime juice, and a splash of soda. It's zesty, cooling, and addictive. Mix iced coffee with fresh orange juice, vanilla syrup, and sparkling water. The citrusy zing cuts through the richness of coffee, making it light and festive. Made with cold brew and cherry syrup, this is topped with soda. Garnish it with fresh cherries or a twist of lemon peel for a party-worthy presentation. Blend cold coffee with coconut water and a hint of honey. Served over ice, this drink is hydrating, tropical, and ideal for guests who prefer something mellow but flavorful. Perfect for cooler evenings, this mocktail is a combination of brewed coffee, apple juice, cinnamon, and cloves. It can be served warm or cold, and it feels festive and comforting. Take the Italian dessert drink to party mode by pouring a shot of hot espresso or strong coffee over a scoop of vanilla ice cream, then top with soda or tonic for fizz. It is sweet, creamy, and indulgent, and can double as a dessert on a D-drink. Also read Frappuccino to iced mocha. Try these easy-to-make cold coffee recipe.